Ingram sets it aside in the Blazer net. 4-1 Americans, 10.5 left here in the second. Kriske puts the puck up the boards. Knocked down at the line by Wotherspoon. Going to be offside now. Yaremko knocks down Kriske, and we're going to have some fisticuffs at center ice as Benjafield into it with Yaremko, and Yaremko throwing the rights. Benjafield gets back up, and Benjafield without a helmet. And Yaremko, just his second fight, some wild rights back and forth on these two. So Benjafield with a wild one that does not connect. But Yaremko hanging right there. So the rookie showing some great footwork on the tilt. That's a good tilt. Benjafield being a good teammate there. He didn't like the hit on Kriske. Felt Yaremko could have avoided the hit at the line with the whistle and the offside. So Benjafield just looking out for one of the meal tickets of the Blazers. So at 10:35 left in the period, Yaremko